In this video, we're going to show you how to place your first order based on what is in the inventory. Now, keep in mind, you can utilize the wish list for orders that are in the future by a week or two, but this is what the farmer knows is absolutely going to be in their cooler at this time, and you can place your order. Now, the farmer does still have to approve it on the back end. So if you place your order, you'll get a notification that it's pending, and once they approve it, you'll be notified that it has been approved. So go ahead, add your stems, add the number of bunches, and then click on the cart. It is going to say how many, you just review it, make sure that it's correct, scroll down, and then you're going to proceed to checkout. What is really nice is, again, this platform is built with communication in mind, knowing how the industry works. So tell them when you need these flowers, and then you can add an additional note. So when you need them is the date you want to pick up. But then in the note, it is really helpful if you tell the florist or the farmer exactly when the event is or what it's for. You can put any details there. Again, some farmers offer delivery and some farmers only do pickup. That is going to be unique there. You're going to know that from their profile. You're going to have communication with them. But if the farmer can know exactly when the event is, especially for those flowers like peonies and dahlias, especially the dinner plate ones, they're going to want them as fresh as possible so that they know when they need to be opened by.